Hey, this is the DIY Magician with another grab bag special. We go to thrift stores and we find the grab bags, we bring them back here, we open them up, and we have fun in the process. So hang on, we'll be right back. Okay, here's another bag, and let's see what we got in this one. This one was, this one was another step towards my collection of Thai Beanie Baby. You ready for it? Yo Gabba Gabba. That's right. This one was another 99-cent bag, and we're going to go ahead and open it up and retrieve my Yo Gabba Gabba figure. Muno. 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 Yo Gabba Gabba is cool. Okay, so there's the Muno doll, and we're going to leave him there. Okay, him, her. I think it's a him. And then we're going to see what else is in the bag. Okay, so now we have a My Little Pony Thai My Little Pony character, and it just, it's called, that's hard to, Rarity? Could be Rarity. It's a unicorn. It's a unicorn. So there's the My Little Pony right there. Okay, next to Muno. Let's see, we have, Blue's Clues. Blue's Clues, Blue's Clues. This is Blue from Blue's Clues. Now, did you know that Blue is a girl? Everyone gets all excited when they hear that. They don't realize that Blue was a girl. So there's Blue from Blue's Clues. We're going to put Blue right over here next to, we'll put him next to Muno. Put her next to Muno, just like that. And then we'll put the My Little Pony right there. Okay. All right. This is a grab bag special. It's so cool. Okay, so what else do we have? We have a baby doll. This one is called Love Bug. Lifetime guarantee. Contact Goldberger, goldbergertoy.com, or we can call the number. Wouldn't this be fun? The phone number is 800-452-3655. That's goldbergertoy.com, toy.com. And this says